Hi guys, guess where I am? I have a cute little outdoor kitchenette today because I am on my uncle's farmhouse and we are gonna be making a souffle omelette. And check this place out. This is where Swan Kitchen is today. So I thought of making this quick little breakfast outdoor today, and I am super excited about this because this is not your basic omelette, but it is super easy but delicious. So what I'm doing here is I'm gonna take 3 eggs and I am gonna start separating the yolks and the whites. I like my eggs to be really fluffy, and that's how I ventured into an omelette souffle, because that's the fluffiest an omelette can get. So I'm going for 3 eggs. You can feel free to use more if you are wanting a really heavy breakfast. So I'm just adding a little salt in both the yolks and the whites. And I'm gonna give this a nice whisk. How beautiful is the day, guys? I mean, I am thoroughly enjoying my stay here at my uncle's farmhouse, especially after this nasty lockdown that we have had. And I was confined to a tiny little apartment kitchen that you've been seeing all my videos from. But now I am here because I'm not confined to a tiny little kitchen. So I thought, why not come outdoors and shoot in the open, in the nature, and share some amazing moments with you guys. So you're looking for stiff peaks, and that's all. If you want to combine the yolks with the whites, you can. I'm going to keep it separate so that it has this nice, beautiful, bright yellow layer of the yolks on the outside and the whites in the inside. Also, I've just given a gentle whisk to the yolks. The pan is heating up and I'm going to add a little bit of oil. You can also use some butter. So see to it that you're using a non-stick pan for this, or an iron pan for this. Also, the gas is on low flame here, so you don't want the eggs to get brown. I think it's ready for me to pour in the yolks first. And now I'm going to gently pour in the whites. I'm just going to cover it exactly for 30 seconds, not more than that. See to it that the flame is not high, otherwise your eggs are going to burn and you don't want that. We want it to cook gently on a low flame so that the eggs stay fluffy and get cooked at the same time. So my uncle actually lives here, guys. I mean, how gorgeous is this place? I think these are done. Wow, it looks great. So if you can see the bottom, this is what you're looking for. I'm just flipping it over. And guys, my gorgeous fluffy souffle omelette is ready. See how cute it is? It's jiggling. That's how I love my omelette. So to this, you can improvise. You can add masala, you can add flakes, you can add pepper, you can add garlic, any of the herbs. I just wanted a plain, simple souffle omelette. And I am going to garnish my souffle omelette with some holy basil. This is Krishna Turas, guys. Krishna Turas has some wonderful medicinal qualities. My gorgeous, fluffy souffle omelette is ready. What better way to complement a fluffy omelette with some flavorsome cup of lemongrass tea? And I have this fresh lemongrass right here, of course from the garden. The water is boiling, to which I'm adding the fresh lemongrass, and let this water boil till the water gets a beautiful green tinge. I just love the flavor of fresh lemongrass in my tea. You could also add a little bit of basil to this. I'm going to be adding just a spoon of sugar. Once the water starts boiling, I'm going to be adding a little bit of tea leaves, only after it's at the boiling point, not before that, otherwise it gets that bitter taste. You don't want that. Just adding about 2 spoons of tea leaves. Stir it. And switch it off. The tea is ready. Smells so aromatic. Here you go. And I am set to have my breakfast. I've lost myself since you left me. How privileged am I to have my breakfast in the lap of nature, sitting next to this gorgeous stone castle. And just to augment my breakfast today, I have this beautiful lotus pond. And of course, my fluffy omelette. Tastes yummy. Can't get better, guys.